Welcome to the Gifted Garage YouTube channel. If you have one of these Harley Softail M8, you know it's like impossible to get to the battery. If you ever had to jump start it or the battery's dead, they don't make it easy. So you have to pay them to do it. So that's what I gotta do today. We need a battery. Start with the side cover, little 5/32 Allen head deals. And this just has like a little rubber grommet right there that pulls off of the stud. And what I've had to do recently, because my battery is no good, is right in here there's a little rubber boot with the big battery cable going to the starter. And what I've done is you take that boot off, you jam a screwdriver very carefully to touch that lug, get the negative down on the ground on the exhaust clamp or something. And that's how you jump start it. Not ideal. We're also just gonna go ahead and pull the seat off. Mine's easier to get to if I get this cushion out of the way. And then you get down in here to all the fun stuff. You got all these wires in the way. This should just come right out. Pop this clip. Pull these wires out of the way. One little zip tie down there. Another zip tie up here. We're gonna try and leave that one. And this is the ABS sensor for the rear wheel. And then that unclips from the whole plastic cover there. Try and tuck that out of the way. And you got this little silver clip here. I just have a little pry bar that pops right out of the way. And we need to get this negative off. 10mm wrench. And then if you look, this black plastic cover has a clip there on the top and a clip way back there on the side. That this hooks around. I need to lift that up off of that clip. And then somehow get it off of being hooked on that. There's a hook and it's hooked. Pull the dipstick out of the way. And there's your battery. Now, you need to get the positive lug off. Easiest is to come down through the top, socket, and extension. And then try not to drop it. Get some pliers. And get that bolt before you lose it. Now, this thing's probably wedged in here pretty tight. I don't make it easy. And there you go. And that's it. Putting the new one in is just reverse of that. I was intimidated by this. And then I watched a couple videos and they don't just, you know how people are. Get to the point. Just took like 10 minutes. So that's it. Gifted garage. I'm GIF, because GIF did the thing. If you like other cool stuff, check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. See ya.